Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I woke up with a horrible migraine, which is why I have an ice pack on. Oh, and I just hit my mic. I do have my mic on. My daughter's watching Peppa, so hopefully you guys can't really hear it. But yeah, so I guess kind of a little update. I am getting, I don't know what to call it. I'll put it on the screen next week to see what's going on with my stomach because I've had a lot of stomach problems. I'm back at my chiropractor. I stopped for like 3 weeks because he was on vacation. My back was starting to hurt. My neck hurts. My rib cage on my left side hurts. Everybody's saying it's just muscles, but I am getting that procedure done to see if it is like, I mean, my stomach hurts, so to see what's going on there. So obviously prayers are always wanted because I want to be able to eat and not be scared that my stomach's gonna hurt super bad. But yeah, so that's going on. And then in between May and well, actually my birthday and Mother's Day, I was kind of sad and I looked at Southwest flights and I got some flights for Florida. So we are going to Disney end of August, beginning of September. So I'm so excited about that. If you guys like the Disney content that is coming again this year, I'm playing with clay currently. But yeah, that is kind of the updates I have right now. My daughter has a birthday party to go to tomorrow. I have to finish up the bag today, the little kind of basket that I did, and then tomorrow my mom's sleeping over tonight, and tomorrow we are going to the birthday party, but I do have to do groceries before then. So my husband's gonna leave the stroller and the car seat so me and my mom can go and run some errands. I need to get some stuff, and we're having a garage sale the following weekend. So I need to get stuff to make the stuff for the garage sale as well. And then my husband's on vacation. Not this coming week, the following, which I'm excited about because he's been needing it. The last vacation he had was our hell. So I'm ready for him to be home for a while. But yeah. And then our next vacation with that will be when we go on actual vacation. But I woke up like 2 nights ago in the middle of the night and I had to pee, and then it just came to me, let me look at flights at Southwest and see if anything's changed. All the flight to go and the flight to come back went on sale. So I ended up rebooking it. So now we do have to pay for bags, but that's okay because I got $250 with a credit for like the three of us. So that means I can book a flight for next year. It expires like in May, so I have time to plan another trip. We'll see if my husband wants to go somewhere else, but I'm 100% sure I want to go back to Florida. So, haha, another Disney trip. We'll see. But yeah, that is really all I have to update you guys on right now. It's just all over the place. My head still is lingering, my headache. I hate headaches. I mean, who doesn't hate headaches? Who doesn't hate headaches and stomach aches? Those are the two worst things, and that's just what I've been struggling with ever since December. It's been a struggle, but hopefully we'll be getting answers soon. It could all also be stress, which totally sucks because I do not want stress medication. A hot dog. Okay, but you need to put it in there. I need to put it in there. Okay. Also, I just colored my hair if you can't tell. I bought a new waxing machine. So I usually use these strips that I absolutely love. I've been using them for years, but I'm tired of spending the money on them. So I decided to buy a wax machine. I bought this one. I'll put it on the screen, and it's absolutely amazing. It does not hurt. If you're used to waxing, it does not hurt. Well, personally, I don't feel like it hurts. I wax my legs, I wax my armpits, and I do wax my mustache and my eyebrows myself. Yay! Bravo. I'll do it right now, baby. It does save me quite a bit of money. Obviously doing my hair myself also saves me quite a bit of money. So I'll actually be doing my nails later. I'm gonna do a beautiful, beautiful blue in memory of my baby that was supposed to be born this month. But yeah, that is all I really have going on right now. I'll probably show you guys once I have my nails on. But we're playing with clay right now, so let me play with clay with my baby, and then I'm watching Harry Potter too, since we are going to Epic Universe when we go to Florida. So yeah. All right, so I did my nails. So they are this really, really pretty blue. the next day. I completely failed again at vlogging. But my mom got here, my in-laws got here, and they're all very loud, and it was very hectic. So I was like, all right, not vlogging anymore. But yeah, so then now I just got ready. We are gonna go to Dollar Tree and Aldi. I gotta get stuff for tomorrow. We're having a cook-off for Father's Day, and then I need to get some stuff for the birthday party. And my mom needed to go to Dollar Tree too, and then I gotta get stuff to make the signs for the garage stuff for next weekend. Next weekend or the following, I don't know. They take forever to do stuff, but I'm not gonna wait till last minute to do these signs because that irks me. So yeah, let's go do some stuff. Being a toddler day for sure. Daughter is acting up, crying for stuff. She never does that. So now we are walking to another store. I need to get the stuff for tomorrow for the cookout. So this is basically what I prepped. That's my father-in-law's, but yeah, this is my husband's. His cologne's down there. My daughter picked things out from Dollar Store. Made that little border thingy and her little things with her little hands. He's gonna love that. Let me try this again. So yesterday we ended up going, I needed to go buy everything for the cookout, and then for Father's Day today, and for the birthday party that we went to yesterday. My daughter had a blast for the first time ever. We walked right in and she literally left me like, bye mom. I was like, oh, okay, bye child. But she was having fun, so I was so happy that she was, you know, having fun. She hit the piñata and everything. I'm getting ready early. My husband's already getting the grill ready. He's gonna mow the lawn, but I'm trying to hurry up because my daughter's outside with him, and I just want to be there too until I start getting stuff ready to cook and stuff. But he's mowing the lawn and all that stuff. Ew, that looks really gross, but oop, no, I need to exfoliate my lips. But yeah, that is the plan today. Happy Father's Day for those that are fathers and those who also do the role as a father. Okay. Alright, hey guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Father's Day. We just spent the entire morning cleaning our backyard, and my husband prepped the grill, the black stone, so we're finally ready to use this today. My best friend's coming. We had an amazing time yesterday at the birthday party. I didn't film, obviously, but yeah, we had so much fun. Happy birthday, Zoe, if you're watching this video, because I know she watches. My daughter had so much fun though. She was playing with the piñata. She literally walked in and left me. I was like, excuse me, I am your mother. But yeah, it was fun. But now we're just gonna have a nice little cookout outside. While little girls thought about their wedding, I thought about my yard looking like this. I absolutely love it. I made it some agua frescas, and then my husband cooked out, assisted by my mother-in-law aggressively. And that was Father's Day. I forgot to exit out of this video. It is like a week later, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys this week. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Leave this emoji right here if you're still here, and I appreciate you. Bye guys.